Hello everybody and welcome again to this new course, and here we will actually just update some changes in the library, and the library is actually a password generator. And here first we clone it and I will show you what we do. Actually I already created an issue here, and actually what I want is just to update like I do a check assert same no assert true to make sure that is string with is string PHP function, but actually now PHPUnit has a new function which is assert is string. So we won't need to do is true. Wait, I will show you here is string. We won't need to do this. We can just replace it directly by assert is string. So I will show you PHPUnit version since when it's available, because before it wasn't available. I think it's PHPUnit 8. PHPUnit 8. Maybe. But it has been available for a little while now. And yes, I will clone the repo. So git clone, that's a repo. Let's clone it, and after I will just beautiful. So now it's cloned, and now I will open with PHPUnit. So let's open it in this window. Perfect. So now we have password generator opened. We can just let's wait. And I also found some functions we can replace. So basically, first we'll run the test to make sure that everything is working well. So first we want to do composer install, because we just clone the repo and we don't have the dependencies. So we'll just run composer install to have all the dependencies. Beautiful. And now I can do PHP. Well, yeah, let's try PHPUnit directly. This is an issue. Let's do let's go to vendor bin PHPUnit, which is a binary of PHPUnit. The test passed, or the test passed. So now what I can do, I can just in passcode I will actually assert same. This one actually, crypt digit, I could just do assert numeric. However, I want to keep this function. Normally it should be available, or maybe everything is not indexed yet, because PHP Storm, yeah, PHP Storm takes time to index the whole project. But yeah, I could do this. However, C-type digit works only for the it works. So I will show it to you actually. VS C C-type digit, because actually as numeric we validate also the float numbers, the float digit, and which is not the case with C digit. C digit is only for integer and not for float number, and that's a problem actually. So it's numeric. You see, I don't know if you see, it's not numeric. Normally it will also work for like for this one. It will, you see this one, like for instance that one, so it works as well for this one, and we actually don't want this for float, or from, did I say, yeah, for double numbers. Yes, it does work. and we want only for integer actually. So C type digit PHP would only work of a string of integers. So check numeric character. However, Boolean, float, and others return false. So as you can see here, actually it's here. So the string you see here, it's a float. So that's why, because it's not an integer, it doesn't work with C-type digit, and this is the behavior we want. So that's why we don't want to use assert numeric with PHPUnit. So we will keep C-type digit for to check the digit. So here in this one, we just revert. So we keep this one, and in password test, however, we are going to use assert is string like this. Beautiful. And now we run the test again to check if it works. It does. So this one is the first addition we'll make. So we'll just commit this one, and we'll do use the native PHPUnit 8 plus, because actually it was introduced in PHPUnit 8 function. Beautiful. And yeah, like I told you, also we will just change also the function names for this one, like with no, not with that one, but that one. I just, while I was reading the code, I noticed that actually the function name wasn't really making sense, and this is why sometimes it's nice to read the code later on. In my case, I have the GitHub app on my phone, and sometimes when I wait for the traffic light, or maybe when I wait the lift to go to my apartment, I just check some code I did on my GitHub, thanks to the GitHub app on my phone. And so sometimes when I read my code, I think, this actually doesn't make sense, because when I read again the code, it's not really what I want to say. And this is actually the same when you write a book. You know, sometimes you are writing a book, and what you write, it doesn't really make sense. So here it's a test password with specified, and I would actually do with specific length. So we'll just look for everything that is specified length in the code, and we'll replace to specific. Let's do that now. So we just look here, and we replace. You see we have another one, and the other one will also do the same, specific length. Let's replace it, and this is actually just cache file, and we don't care about them. So specific length and specific length. Let's run once again our test to make sure that everything is still passing. It does. And now we will just rename the test names. So update test name to cleaner name. You know, it doesn't really matter what you write actually in the commit, but it's nice to be specific. Beautiful. And now we can just push it. So here we go. I hope this quick video helped you. And now we can even have a look again. So here I can close the issue I did. So what I can even do is to give the commit link. It's a good practice to do that. So it was actually this commit where I replaced to assert is string. So I will just say done in, and yes, beautiful. I hope it was helpful, and see you in another video. Ciao.